For bigger changes like adding features, we'll need to use the chat. Just remember, each chat prompt uses up 1 message credit, so use your prompts wisely. For example, let's go to our shopping list. Let's say I want the user to be able to export their shopping list as a PDF so they can share it with someone or print it out. I'll simply request this in the chat. Add the ability for users to export their shopping list as a printable PDF. Then I'll click Send. Just like with our initial build, the AI will begin to process the request, and you'll see the status updates in the chat. Most AI changes take a few minutes to implement, so I'll skip through the processing time throughout this video. The request has been processed, and the app has now re-rendered. I have an error message saying the meal plan wasn't found, so let's click to return to the dashboard. Now we can see the meal plan. Let's open it, then go to the shopping list. Now there's a Print as PDF button. Let's click it. And it looks like we have a print preview for a shopping list. The formatting could be better. It spans multiple pages, but you can always refine these details with follow-up prompts if needed.